All right, let's do the Jackie song. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Ooh, X ABH. That was a remix, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam, and today we are going to be reviewing the new Jackie Aina X Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's here, and I am so excited. This palette looks amazing, and this is the look that I created with it. I hope you enjoy this review, Team Truth style as always, plus tutorial and the whole tea, the scoop on this new Jackie Aina X ABH palette. Remember to subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that notification bell so that you see all of my videos and not just one or two. And now let's get to it. Jackie Aina X ABH review coming at you. And just like that, you guys, I am back on the Anastasia Beverly Hills PR list. Anyway, this video is not about me. It's about this new palette. So I am gonna open up this package real quick. Ooh, some crinkly paper. Ooh. Ooh, Jackie, I see you, girl. Yes. Guys, this is beautiful. Ooh, so here we have a little holographic action with Jackie's logo on it and also Anastasia. Love it. And here we have the PR package along with the palette. Dun, da, da, da. Ooh, baby, this is luxe, honey. I am here for it, clearly. Here's the outer packaging. And now for the moment of truth. Let us see these gorgeous shadows in the flesh. Wow, gorgeous. I don't even know what to say. 14 beautiful shades, Jackie Aina approved. We have some mattes here, some colorful shades, some shimmery shades, chromes, some metallics, basically everything in between. A lot of these are kind of duotony, and obviously this is my first time looking at this, so this is my very first and very honest first impression. Let's get to some facts. This Jackie Aina X ABH palette retails for $45. It's a limited edition palette available online August 16th at Anastasia Beverly Hills, August 15th in stores at Sephora and at Ulta. I'm not even sure if this product is already sold out, but hopefully it's not, and I will be linking it down below for you guys, so do check the description. This palette also includes a double-sided brush that I believe a lot of the Anastasia palettes include, so I am going to be putting it to good use. I am going to pop up a picture right here of some swatches on Jackie's arm. Hello, pestañas. The only thing left for me to do before I actually apply all of this to my face is get my swatch model over here so that we can discuss and swatch these shadows together.
Yep.
Swatches time. But before I go, I want your honest reaction.
Wow, pretty. I like the color placements and I like the choices. You have a lot of looks with that.
Yes, you can. Come, come. All right, here we have our swatch model's sexy arm, and we are going to start by swatching this shade here called Soleil. Soleil. Next we have Supreme. Ooh, this one's a unique color that you don't often see in palettes. Very beautiful. Next we have Pinker.
Pinker, I just met her.
I don't get it. Next we have Big Wig. Next we have Dwalas. Dwalas. Ooh, Dwalas. I like that one. I didn't even need to redip. I just wanted to redip because it felt really nice. Next we have Credit, because you know you need a good line of credit. Ooh, that's a nice color. Next is Lituation. I might have a Lituation later tonight. Next we have Zam. Zam, that's beauteous. Next we have Wigglies. What do you think Wigglies means, Lee?
It's a very famous doll from the 80s.
Next we have Shookington. Shookington. Okay, Jackie with these names. Shookington. Next we've got Trust Issues. Wow, that's beautiful. Actually, these last few shades are just like so mesmerizing. Wow. Here comes Edges. Ooh, my edge is looking kind of on point today. Sponsored. And the last one is Ginger. Wow, pretty. Ooh. So now that we've swatched and this palette is no longer perfectly clean, let's apply it to my face. Let's do it. First and foremost, I need some primer. Fenty is what I am using. Not sure what look I'm gonna do with this. I wanna try out as many colors as I possibly can, as always and per usual. I think I'm gonna start with Supreme. Ooh, honey. That is very, very pigmented and very, very satisfying. And I do love this color. I think it is highly necessary for a palette like this one. Actually applies better than it's swatched. I will say that. Don't be that girl who just goes by the swatches. Swatches are not really for the texture. They're really more so for the color. I'm gonna apply that all over my transition. This is going to be my transition. Yes, I'm going for bold. Can't have no subdued look with a Jackie Aina palette. No! These shadows are pretty consistent with most Anastasia Beverly Hills shadows. They are very pigmented, definitely a little bit dusty, which does not bother me, especially if you have a sticky primer like the Fenty one. All the colorful dust will just adhere to the primer and it'll give you pigment in return, honey. This color Supreme is fire though. It's so beautiful. And I recall Jackie saying in one of her videos that this is the color that she needed a little bit of convincing on. I'm so happy that she was convinced because this color needs to be in my life forever. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of Big Wig. I'm gonna start applying that to this outer section with a little pencil brush. This is kind of a soft pencil brush, so it's not super precise. It can be precise, but you can also use it to blend out the product. Of course, there's no name on this brush whatsoever, but trust me, you can find it in just about any brand that sells brushes. This color is a little bit more subdued, but it's a necessary color for this scheme because it's a little bit more on the matte muted side. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing on my eyes right now. I am just adding color and I am just playing with these shadows because I'm so excited for them. Honestly, the only eyeshadow palettes to make me this excited are the Natasha Denona ones. Keeping it truthful and keeping it honest. But when Jackie announced that she's collabing with ABH and she's producing her own palette, I was shook. I love Jackie. I love her point of view. She's my girl and I expect nothing but excellence from her. So I'm just taking back that Supreme and going over the purple just to subdue it some more, you know? And then I'm just going back and forth and back between these two. Oh yes. Ooh, yes. Next. You know what? I'm gonna reach for this brush because it's here and it needs to be reached for. I'm gonna pick up this pinker and I'm gonna start placing that right below the transition, above my natural fold. I guess you can call it the crease. This is more of a wine type of color and I far prefer a wine color in my inner corner crease transition fold than a purple, just because it's warmer and it just works a little bit better with my widely set eyes. I like to keep all the purples on the outer corner and then more the maroons and the magentas in the inner corner. I mean, these shadows are delivering clearly and I have no complaints. I just really want to see how they perform and what kind of look I can create with all of this. I'm really challenging myself to use every single color here. Woosa. All right, gonna pick up the other end of this brush and just gently go over it. And I miss my girl Jackie. Last time I saw Jackie was in New York. We went out for dinner. Lord God, I think that was like in February. It's been like 6 months. Oh my God. All right, going back with Supreme, adding that a bit more on top, just working that in just like that. This eyeshadow look is coming together quite nicely. Next is I want to do some wigglies, so let's pick that up on a flat brush. Wigglies. This is a stunning rust colored eyeshadow. Stunning. Look at that, ma'am. Wow. Obsessed. Obsessed. This is so unique and so different and just so fiery. I'm loving it. All right, I decided to get a little beer that I almost finished, so the rest of the video is gonna be a lot more exciting than the first half, because, you know, it's a lituation. Right, Jackie? Right. Also got some tahini. I am gonna dip my brush into this shade here called Shookington, and I am going to place this color right here in the border between the purple and that beautiful rust, just like that. And then I'm gonna kind of overlap them for a beautiful gradient, you know? So Wigglies, Shookington, I love that. Look at that, look at that iridescence. Oh, oh! You know, there is no tajin in the bars in New York. Like, no one actually knows what it is. Matter of fact, I think it was with Jackie that we were at a bar and we asked for some tajin on the rim of our margarita and we were denied entrance. We were given a hard no. That's why I keep it in my house. I am thinking we might be needing some zam. Ooh. Or should I do that with the finger? I don't know. Oh no, that zam is applying. It is applying. I'm gonna do it with the finger though, just because I want to see it in full glory. You seeing what I'm seeing? This is kind of amazing. This is a very uniquely formulated shadow and finish. Almost feels like metal. Definitely looks like metal. This is like a crazy level of foil. Wow, 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 wow. All right, I knew I was gonna like this one, but I certainly was not ready. Certainly. Damn, this color is fine. Still want that hint of wigglies right here in that 3/4 zone. So I'll leave it just like that for now. I need to hurry up because me and my best friend are about to go out for some ramen and I am like not 15 minutes away from being done. She's gonna have to wait because, you know, she actually stood me up yesterday. What are we doing for the inner corner, Jackie? Let's do some Soleil. This is a beautiful inner corner shade, like a champagne-y, rosy, golden goodness, gracious fire. Just a little bit up here. Stunning. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yes. We need a little something on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna pick up just a little bit of this credit and I'm gonna push that into my lash line with this thick brush. Maybe not the best idea, but we will fix that. Next, I'm gonna take a bit of edges on a small pencil brush and I'm going to extend that all the way to the inner corner and also kind of blending out that previous shade. Credit. Oh, that beer hit me kind of hard. Now this might be a drunk makeup tutorial. Are those still popular? I'm not very good at drunk makeup. Never been. It's not my forte, but I am liking this palette. All right, going back with that credit, just blending them into each other, kind of like that. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, we are going to fix this situation by picking up a little bit of ginger on this clean brush. And just running that along the bottom just to tame the beast a little bit, you know? Also gonna flick off some of this fallout. Yeah, much better now. Much better now. Do the same thing to the other side. Let's tame the beast. So now let's see, I have used almost all the shadows here. We use Soleil and Zam, we use Supreme and Wigglies, Pinker, Shookington, Big Wig, Not Trust Issues, Edges, Dwellers, not Dwellas. No, we have not used Dwellas, Trust Issues, Sponsored, or Lituation, so we need to put them to good use right now. I am thinking a little bit of Dwellas can serve us some good with this look. This is a really pretty shadow. It's kind of like a greenish antique gold. I'm gonna apply that right here to the inner lower tear duct area just for a little bit of bling. Yeah, yes honey, it's coming together. Now trust issues, what can we do with you? You are so unique and different. Maybe a little bit on the center. Can we even see you? Can we even appreciate you? Maybe we can feel you. And now truly, although I want to try out Sponsored and Lituation, I just don't see any room on these eyes for these two shadows. Let's go for it. I'm gonna take a bit of Sponsored and I'm going to gently place that, ooh, right here in the center of the lower lid, just for a little necessary dollar sign. Yes. But now I feel like I need more purple. So I'm gonna go back to Big Wig and I'm gonna add that to the outer portion of the lower lash line just to bring everything together a smidge. I'm also gonna just flick out this outer corner here like that. And now I think I am ready for the rest of the face. I'm gonna apply this Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, waterproof by Essence Cosmetics, my new favorite waterproof mascara, onto my pestañas. All right, so now for the lashes. I was gonna go for the new Huda Beauty lashes, Lottie 19, but I've run out of time. So I need to go for my pre-cut Eyelure Most Wanted in Have to Have. I've worn these many, many times before. So I am going to apply these as I always do. Don't think I'm gonna go for liner for this look just because there's already a lot going on. All right, gonna apply these lashes real quick. First, some tajin. Here we have the lash. All right, so the lashes are on. While they're drying, I'm just gonna lift them in place. Charlotte Tilbury Amber Moon Rock and Kohl pencil, because she needs a little something. Generally speaking, kohl pencils do not work in the waterline, but this one does, so that's why I continue using it. Yes. Now that I'm done, I think I want to pick up a little bit of this Lituation because I really want to attempt using every single shade. So this is the last shade that I have not dipped into. I'm gonna do is add just a little bit of this Lituation to my lash line. This is a shimmery, cool gunmetal shade. So you're not really going to notice it, but you will feel it. And then with my Schwing liner from the Balm Cosmetics, I am gonna disguise that lash. Just like that. I'm gonna flick off any unnecessary fallout. There's really not too much in this instance. And let's finish that here. For the lips, my Posh Nude from my Night Lit Kit from a PIXI collab. This one is an online exclusive. A lot of people have been wondering why they haven't seen this lit kit in Target. And it's because you can only get it on PIXI.com. So go get it at PIXIBeauty.com. Links below. Only thing I'm missing in this look is a little bit of highlighter, so I'm gonna use my Lancome Sparkling Pesh. Just gonna subtly add that all around. Yup, and I believe I am ready for my close-up. Honestly, you guys, I am pretty obsessed with this palette. The quality of every single shadow that I have tried, and I have tried every single one, has been outstanding. And that's what you can expect from a Jackie Aina X ABH palette. I am generally a huge fan of Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. I have not been on her PR list for a while, but if you recall, I went out and purchased a lot of ABH stuff and reviewed it on my channel a couple of months ago, and I was really pleasantly surprised with the quality. So this here has 1000% delivered. I am super, super excited for this. Jackie, you killed it. I believe this is very representative of you, your personality, your style, your take on things. I love the names. I love the colors, and I am going to continue wearing them. Stop me. I just want to keep reaching for it. There are numerous looks that you can create with this palette, from vibrant ones to shimmery metallic ones to neutral everyday ones. Endless possibilities. I think it's actually probably one of the best Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes thus far. Yes, that's right, I said it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. I will see you in my next one. And while you're at it, why don't I slide over and